right, so we have Billy Bob that's draining his bathtub. It's slower than the Dickens. He filled it up and then let the water drain out. So again, we have this graph. Let's figure out our MMB first. So we have our B, which is on our y-axis right here. So B is equal to 20. Our M, we got a dot here and a dot here. If you want to find a dot that's a little bit closer, that is perfectly fine. So obviously this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20 over 15, which equals, if I divide both of those by 5, 4 over 3. So it says, how many gallons of water are in Billy Bob's tubs after 6 minutes? So here's my minutes. I'm going to find my 6. Go up. So that's here. Then go over. And that is at 12. And we're going to put gallons. Then it says, what is the slope? So remember, it's just asking what the heck the slope is, not what does it mean or anything special. So our slope is 4/3. Oh gosh. Hopefully you corrected me to say, Mrs. Sherman, that's a negative slope. -4/3. And then what does the slope represent? So again, pause the video. See if you can figure out what it means. Welcome back. Maybe something along the lines of 4 gallons of water drain every 3 minutes or something like that. So hopefully you have something along those lines, right? If you have every 3 minutes, 4 gallons of water is draining or is leaving or is gone, whatever you want to put, right? As long as it's saying the same thing that I'm saying, doesn't matter if it's completely different words. Okay, but make sure you got that 4 and that 3. That's the super important part, right? And try to definitely have that unit. Now, pause the video and think through, what does the y-intercept represent? Welcome back. So what does the y-intercept represent? The bath or the bathtub started with 20 gallons of water. The bathtub or the bath started with 20 gallons of water. So what you're going to do now is you are going to, if you are in person, right, grab the paper. It should be pink, and you are to complete that. The answers are on Canvas in case you need to check yourself. But do that and then turn it in. Double check how you're doing with it. And then you will have an IXL to do after that. So don't forget about your IXL, right? Because both of those are going to be checked. So make sure that you get that done.